iPhone 12 PM welding pound array cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone 12 PM with iOS 18.1 system. Face ID cannot be used. Turn off the phone and remove the front camera. Take out the Pound L3 repair instrument. Plug in dot matrix activation expansion board will automatically jump to the relevant page. Snap a camera to the expansion board. Test display fuselage. Take out Pound dot array cable. Take out the dot matrix cable and take it for welding. Grinding along the weld. Remove the MOS tube. Remove the cable and clean it up. Apply flux installed to Pound dot array cable top. Two potentials shorted together. Use Pound special glue to cure. Snap the welded front camera onto the expansion board. Test display normal. Connect your phone to the Pound programmer. Display bind. Test display write success. Test display exists data. Attach the front-facing camera back to your phone. Face ID has been successfully repaired.